Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Welcome to online learning session, that is Ekalaiva. Today we are going for the next topic, that is farming in Palampur. As I told you earlier, we do have 4 factors of production, that is land, labor, physical capital and human capital. In this process, the farming will go on for whatever the production goes. Now, as far as farming is concerned, we can just see how the farming was going on in village Palampur. Children, you already know that land is fixed, right? Land is fixed and it is a limited resource. So, with this fixed land, we should cultivate the crop and we have to see to it that all the people get satisfied with this cultivation. Now, how can we make the people or how can we make everyone satisfied with the cultivation? Is there any way how the production can be more? Yes, we do have a solution for it, children. That is, all the idle land which is not cultivated was brought under the cultivable land. Right? This was the first procedure which was done in Palampur. Secondly, they started to follow the cropping pattern. That is, in rainy season, we do have the kharif crop grown. And you already know what are the kharif crop. That is, you do have jawar and bajra. These plants was given to cattle. So it became a fodder crop also. Then between October to December, potato was grown. Then in the month of winter season, rabi crop was grown. That is wheat. Did you get it, children? Then farmers used to keep the wheat crop for consumption, right? And surplus was given to the market. Did you all get it, children? Now, what are the other ways where the production can be more? So, in that, we can take first multiple cropping, children. Now, what do you mean by multiple cropping? Multiple itself is saying you more than one, isn't it? So, to grow, right, more than one crop in a piece of land, for a year, we call it as multiple crop, children. So, in a field, you can grow more than one crop, right? What is the second one? We do have modern farming methods. Modern farming methods. What are those? What is that modern farming methods? Usually, the farmers used to use, that is, they started to use traditional seeds and they used natural manure like cow dung and all. But later on, we started to use HYV seeds, that is high yielding variety of seeds, where the output will be more. And along with it, you do have the pesticides and fertilizers where the production is very much than expected. Because of this, what happens? You do have irrigation, with the help of irrigation, the production gets multiplied. I think you've got it, children. That is, they started to use HYV seeds, and with the help of HYV seeds and fertilizers, we also had the irrigation facilities, as I told you earlier. With irrigation, the production was very much more. I told you, as far as Palampur is concerned, we had tube wells which was installed by the government, and later on some of the private farmers also started to install the tube wells. So with this, the irrigation facilities was very much more when compared to the other nearby village. Then third method, modern farming machines. You know what are this? See, children, usually what happened, the farmers used to have the plow or some of the other basic equipments which they can go for the farming. But what do you mean by modern farming machines means they started to use tractors, turbines, and threshers. With this modern equipment, you can see the production is very much more, and it was really very quick when compared to the other nearby villages. Did you get it, children? How was the farming going on? You know that the land is very much fixed. All the idle land also was brought to the cultivable land. We started the cropping pattern where you had the rabi crop, kharif, and potato also was grown in between. And some of the modern techniques we started to grow in order to get more production, that is multiple cropping. Then you had the modern farming methods like HYV seeds, fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides. And later on, we had the modern machines also in order to make the work more quicker. Now, this is all really the best which we can say in order for the cultivation, children. But what happened, we have to be very much clear enough to know whether these are said to be a right thing to be followed. Okay. Now, whether land will sustain all this. This is a question mark, children. When I was saying you about the irrigation, when I was saying you about the chemical fertilizers, I was stressing more whether the soil fertility will be there if we use so much of chemical fertilizers, right? So because of it, what is the impact of these HYV seeds? What is the impact of this green revolution? So we do have some negative impact also, right? What are the negative impact? Firstly, there will be loss of fertility, children, right? Loss of fertility. Then second, I told you tube wells was there. All the formats of irrigation was taken over. With this, what will be the drawback? The ground water level will be reduced. Is reduced. So a stage will come where we will not have water at the ground level. Isn't it a great drawback, children? And you already know that it is not possible for us to restore soil or water, right? So we should see to it that we are following the sustainable development. That is where we are just having certain things for the future generation also. It is in our hand, children. It is in our hand. We should see to it that the future generations also is having the fertility of the soil and the water also. Right? Okay. Now I think I finished the topic with this consent. We'll go for the next topic in the next class, children. So if I show you the PowerPoint presentation, it will be more clear to you, children. Yes, we'll go for that. Right? Yes. I told you farming is said to be a very important one. and almost you do have all the people depending upon farming. Then what is that? How we can just make the field to grow more? That is, which HYV seeds, we do have fertilizers, modern farming machineries and pesticides, and some of the irrigation facilities which was used during that times, you can say canals, pump set electricities, and of course water was coming through dam also. Yes, this is the modern farming methods where we can just see HYV seeds being used, fertilizers, pesticides, and some of the irrigation things which was used in order to get good cultivation. Yes, this is the multiple cropping, children. I think rather than this, the best example I can't show you. Almost I can see the different plants which are grown in the same field. Will the land sustain? Just see, children, how the land is not able to sustain such type of cultivation where you do have lots of pesticides and chemical fertilizers in order to get more production. Thank you, children. I think this is the assignment which you'll be writing as a homework for today. Okay. I think you understood this topic. We'll go for the next topic in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.